Get ready, Carmelians, to witness a fantastic closet transformation. The sorting has begun. Dresses. All of the sandals are put together. And the dress shoes, tennis shoes and boots and flats. Containers are ready for items. All of the items you just viewed are the items that came from all of the shelves in the closet and off the floor. These items you are viewing came from 4 totes the client had in her bedroom and from the closet on the bottom rack. We haven't started on any of the top racks yet. I constructed 2 shelves for sweaters, one for heels. I installed a ceiling light. I used 500 of these hangers and multiple containers. Ready, set, go! And I'm off. It's time to put this closet back together. Let's take a walk into this fantastic transformation. All of the client's flats are stored on this shelf. All of her dresses and skirts are stored on the right-hand side. I use plastic containers to store some of her sandals. Other containers held scarves, tank tops, leggings, and shorts. This shelf held all of the client's heels. And these 2 shelves housed all of her sweaters. I placed all of my client's boots on the top shelf and all of her tennis shoes on the floor underneath her pants, t-shirts, and sweatsuits. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, Carmelians.